Yo, first order up is going to be a 7-Eleven pickup. This is $6 going 2 miles. Thank you. We are also doing earn by time today, and current rate is $17 an hour. This first order is going to be a Black Rock coffee going 8.5 miles. Oh, this is only one drink. Surely there's a tip on it, right?
It's going to be this one.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good rest of your day.
You too. What even is this? Looks like some sort of fizzy drink with cream on top. And that was a no tip, of course, because why would there be one? Also, if you were wondering, yes, there were 2 other Black Rock coffees on the way here, so I'm not sure why they ordered from that one. Total for that was $10, by the way. Oh, did I mention that also left me outside of my zone? Yeah, that order was terrible, but luckily got the next order as soon as I made it back. This is a Taco Bell going 4 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your name or a 4-digit code to earn reward points today?
Good morning.
Morning.
So here's the order. So spooky this morning.
Right? All foggy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's that. We'll see you around.
Thank you.
Have a good day, my dear.
You too. Total for that order was $10, and it took probably half the time as the other order did. Next up is a Jack in the Box. This is going 4.5 miles.
Hi, thank you for choosing Jack in the Box. How can I help you?
Thank you.
Okay.
You too. That was another $10 order. I like it. I like it. That one was pretty quick as well. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks, $9 going 6 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Morning. There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Next up is a Burger King. This is going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $7 and change. This next order is going to be a McDonald's, $7 going 4 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Good one.
You
Thank
too. My question is, why are people choosing not to use their headlights when it is super foggy? Well, my dash just ended because they tried to send me across the river 22 miles, and then they tried to send me across the river 17 miles. But I did get the next order. This is a Taco Bell, $6 going about 2 miles. Thank you. You too. I was just about to park, but they gave me an order that I had to turn around for. This is a Voodoo Donut, $16 going 5.5 miles.
Thanks for waiting. I do appreciate it. I put a few extra donuts in there for you.
Thank you.
Have a great rest of the day.
You too. Do I have the right to be a little upset? Not upset, but like a little annoyed by that? She said, sorry for making me wait, and that she had thrown in a few extra donuts in there for me. Well, I would appreciate that if those actually went towards me, but I guess the customer's getting lucky today. Just got the next order. This is Presso Coffee Bar, $7 going 3.5 miles. Thank you.
Of course, thank you.
Next up, got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $10, going 6 miles, 6 items. And I just got to take it up front. Yep, no problem. I need to grab some more stuff anyways. Next up is another shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $16, going 6 miles, 8 items.
Thank you. Someone will be with you shortly.
Yeah.
Just that for you.
I need to grab a few more things if you want to bring it up. All right, sun has come out and it is really hot. Well, comparatively. I'm starting to bust a sweat, so time to go home. Current time is 10:15. Current total is 98 and waiting on a few Uber tips. I kind of lost count, so I'll just throw up the total whenever they come in. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.